Hey guys, this is game 2, match 1. He is choosing to play first. I don't exactly know why. This hand's fine, I guess. Not the greatest, but I got a turn 1, turn 2, and 2 turn 3s. I would not like mulligan. I'm on the draw, which I always like. He's a Mem Knight, huh? Whoa. That Mem Knight is probably just gonna trade with one of my random bets. Yeah, let's just run this out. Just in case I need to get my land later on, get my triple blue, which is kind of mana intensive. Yep, does nothing to this guy though. Okay. Now that's really the question, do I let him beat me? Oh, it seems that I'm probably going to lose this game. Yeah. He had a very fast start. Argent Sphinx. Just keep it on there. So if he equips over here, he's not going to really advance his board state too much. I mean, he's going to put me at 10, which is good for him, but he has to have a 2-drop to play something. And next turn I could play this, and I'll have mana to back it up. Wow. Like, what am I supposed to do when you're just like turn 1, turn 2, turn 3, or turn 1, turn 2, turn 3. Without removal spells, you just kind of lose. This guy obviously just got like the god draw. Playing something big, apparently. 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, dude. Seems like you have good draws. Where's my Volition Reins? I have an infinite blocker now. Kinda nice. I need Volition Reins, like right now. I have 2 in my deck. Just take this guy, start beating him. Or just lamp out my hand. I don't understand why you would do that. Huh. I'm very confused. I don't understand why he's not just trying to erase me. I mean, that puts me at 9. Okay. Or are you gonna tap it for me now? Ramp out some more? Yeah, this guy definitely had a pretty sweet draw. I'm at 9. He swings for 5 next turn, unblockable. I lose, concede game. Yeah, having all that turn 5. Okay, so now we know more about his deck. Disperse is a definite option. Disposition field. Huh. Bounces the answer every turn, but yet also bounces the other creatures. I don't think he has any tech with it other than that. I mean, other than like attacking, and then he has blockers back, but he's gonna be not playing anything. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Take that out for it. Let's try this. If I lose because of that card, I will never play that card again. What do I like to play first? This guy wants to play first because he has a architect. Would I like to play first then? Yes. Would I like to mulligan? Definitely not. This hand is sweet, I guess is the correct terminology to call it. And what does he got? Man, this guy just gets this without fail. Like, I understand you have it in your deck and, you know, it's in there for a reason, but you don't have to play it, like, turn 1 every single game. Man, yeah. So we're gonna hawk out there, bounce my spell bomb, get some more guys. Yes. Return that back to my hand. I've not worked a trade. Even if he does get, you know, like I neutralize that with this, it's gonna be kind of annoying. He's effectively arrested relic. Yeah. I'm gonna spend some turns equipping. Yeah, I'm just gonna play this. And someone just rang my doorbell. So I will be right back. Sorry about that. It seems like I got my sick knifeys that I purchased the other day. And just passing the turn here. He's probably just going to swing and not equip and play something else in his hand, because I can just tap down anything that he has. What, does he have another Dark Steel Axe? He probably does. That's why he's always getting it. Nope, he's getting a magnet. Okay. And amendment. Oh, Jesus. So many cards.